My name is Dean Sterling, and I am a Yeti expert. Expert of Yetis.
Oh, criikey! Oh, yay!
I design, sell, and arrange Yetis.
Have you got any Yetis, sir?
Yes, right this way, sir. I got this one yesterday from Lidl.
Oh, thank you.
Good day to you, sir.
Oh, criikey! A grassland Yeti! I haven't seen one of these since the war! War!
I have managed to escape from the claws of the Yeti. I can observe him from here. He is being quite submission to my two acquaintances. He appears to be having vigorous intercourse, and then he seems to have spotted me. Run! 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 I have escaped once again, but I don't have much time.
It's Mark from JMO! Hi, you bastard! Buy the new bird splatterer now in stores such as Pound Stretcher. It also works on Yetis. Do 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 do.